If you are really experiencing difficulties trying to navigate your screen on their own, like get scrolling effects on separate part of the screen, maybe you want this to scroll to the sides and you want this to scroll up and down. If you're finding difficulties, you can learn something practical from this video as a beginner. So, just for best results, for to make it easy for you, just take work with your components separately. Create separate frames from for everyone you want to work on. Place your items inside the frame. Make sure the frame is like the size of your grid, the size of your screen. Make sure the frame is the size of your screen. Yeah, make sure it's not bigger than your screen size. Make sure it takes the accurate width of what you want. Next, place whatever you want into your frame, just the way you want it to show. Now, work on them, prototype them separately. That's the goal. If you want this to roll vertically, give it a vertical. If you want this to roll horizontally, make it horizontal. Want this to roll horizontally, give it horizontal effects. Take your frames, place them where you want them. Place them wherever you want them. This is just a simple sample of a design. You mustn't do it my way, but I'm just giving you some little secrets on how you can do these things on your own without having to suffer too much. Next, you test. Let's preview this and see. So this scrolls up and down separately and doesn't affect this part of the screen. This on its own goes left to right and doesn't affect other part of the screen. This also goes left to right. Does it affect other part of the screen? Here we have it for scrolling effect. Thank you.